supporters of former President Rodrigo Duterte continue to gather outside the ICC detention center. Let's get more updates from Mon Gualvez, who joins us live from The Hague, Netherlands. Hey Mon, what are the supporters doing outside the ICC detention center?
Angela, it's been 3 weeks now pero patuloy pa rin ang pagdating ng mga supporters ni former President Rodrigo Duterte dito nga sa labas ng ICC Detention Center. Hindi na sila nagsasagawa ng programa, tanging mga pagpapapicture na lamang. At the same time, may iba na talagang may bit-bit pa ng mga birthday greeting cards that we saw in the past days. Gusto nila itong ibigay kay former President kahit it's been a week already after his birthday at gusto na talaga doon nilang magbigay ng mensahe or message of support and love for him para ipaalam lang na they are here supporting his fight during this time at gusto lang doon talaga nilang mabigyan ng time para doon hindi ma-bore si former president sa loob ng detention center. So patuloy, until now we are actually surprised with the number of OFWs. Somehow yung iba talagang galing pa sa iba't ibang parts of Europe at yung iba bumabiyahe talaga from different parts of the country outside the region. Angela.
Mon, meron na bang reaction si VP Sara doon sa naging tugon naman ng palasyo doon sa pagkakasabi niya na nagpapasalamat siya dahil doon sa kanyang renewed relationship with her father? Sabi ang kanyang exact words ay, "Glad I could help."
Oo, kahapon talagang buong araw natin inabangan yung pagbisita ni Vice President Sara Duterte dito nga sa ICC Detention Center pero wala pa, hindi pa siya bumisita kahapon para mahingan nga sana natin ang pakayag tungkol dito at sa iba pang mga issue. So we are still waiting for that to happen kasi nga again the information that we had is most probably until this week na lamang si VP Sara kailangan na bumalik sa Philippines, although she admits na she's still waiting for the final document na manggagaling nga dito sa ICC just to confirm na mga ipapasa nila legal team for the defense.
Right.
Angela.
All right. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Mon Gualvez, reporting live from the Netherlands.